what's the weather today?
The temperature is 95 degrees with a heat index of 105.
Woo! It is hot in here. You better check that AC unit outside.
This is the end.
Are you okay?
Time to get a new AC. It's gonna cost you. Sorry.
I might have a solution for you.
A solution? What do you mean?
You can get a brand new AC system like me for no down payment. Try the stress-free AC program from FPL Home. With no money down and one low monthly payment, FPL Home installs a new system in your home. They'll do an annual tune-up, repairs, and deliver filters to your door. It's all included. Qualify for the stress-free AC program in just minutes. Stress-free AC from FPL Home.